Good day. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Velvet Jones. I am an Emmy Award-winning voiceover artist. If you need to have any voiceover work done, then you've come to the right place. Before you settle on someone else, ask them, can you show me your Emmy Award? If the answer is no, come back to me. This gig exclusively on Fiverr.
I am your senior drill instructor, Gunnery Sergeant Jones. And the first and last words coming out of your filthy sewers will be, sir. Do you maggots understand that?
Sir, yes, sir!
Welcome to Tragedy Relief for America. Our mission is to provide support.
Lionsgate and Stan Foster Media invite you to an exclusive movie.
Your life is a journey made up of accomplishments, successes, wins.
You have 60 seconds to your next loan. The 60-second original.